In this video, I'll show you how to generate unique random numbers between two numbers in Excel. We'll use three variables: the minimum and maximum number, and the number of values we want to generate. We'll use the RANDARRAY function to create a list of random numbers. The first argument defines how many numbers we need. In this case, it's 10. The second argument is 1, because we want to create a single column output. The third and fourth arguments define the minimum and maximum values. The true argument ensures that the result will be integers. Now, we apply the unique function to make sure all numbers are different. Try to generate random numbers to recalculate the formula. The problem is that, in some cases, we don't get enough numbers, which can be frustrating. However, we can solve this issue with a simple trick. We double the number of generated elements. Then, using the take function, we trim it down to the exact amount we need, in this case, 10. As a result, the final output looks truly random. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.